Good morning, learners. Welcome back to another lesson with Albert. Here's our friend Albert. Remember, Albert is learning about the alphabet, and his friends are here to help. And today we're going to learn about a special friend in our lesson. Today's words will all have our friend Ollie, his sound in there. And Ollie, it's a short O octopus sound. So let's go over the story for each of our letters are in today's lesson. So first we have Ollie, and it's short O octopus sound. Ollie, the octopus observes the olives the oxen eats. In today's lesson, we also have Bob. Bob is our bubbly bee. Bob bounces by bragging about the blue bubbles in the bottle. Next, we have one of our favorites. We have Grumpy G. Grumpy gets greedy when seeing the color green. And I think this is a new one this week. This is Huffy. And Huffy has a funny sound. It's almost like air coming out of your throat. It's Huffy, Huffy H. Huffy has had his share of hard times when he couldn't blow down the heavy door. The next one we have is Lulu. We've seen Lulu before. Lulu is our licky L. Lulu likes licking lemon flavored lollipops for lunch. And then we have Poppy P. Poppy looks like an explosion of bubbles, doesn't she? Poppy pops plenty of purple and pink bubbles on the path to the planetarium. And we have Travis this week. Travis is our tickly T. Travis is tickly when turning his toy turtle towards the tree. So those are the letter friends that we're going to be working with this week in our lesson. All of our words have the short O octopus sound in them. And let's go over the words that we're going to be spelling today. First, we have pot, and pot has poppy p, short O octopus sound, tickly t, pot, pot. Then we have hot, huffy h, short O octopus sound, tickly t, hot, hot. Then we have hop. Hop is huffy H, short O octopus sound, poppy P, up, hop. And now we're going to add our friend Grumpy to the word hog. Hog is huffy H, short O octopus sound, Grumpy G, og, hog. Then we have Lulu, and Lulu is our licky L sound. Licky L, short O octopus sound, Grumpy G, log, log. And our last word for this lesson is the word lob. You can lob a baseball, maybe across the yard to your mom or your dad or your brother or sister when you're playing catch. Lob. Licky L, short O octopus sound, bubbly B, lob, lob. Okay, now remember, you should have a paper with lines on it. When I say the letters, you can repeat their words after me and write the words down and the letters down on your lines. And we'll do every word 3 times. We're going to start up here at the top of the first line with our pot, pot. Here we go. Poppy P. Short O octopus sound. Tickly T. Leave a space. Poppy P. Short O octopus sound. Tickly T. Leave a space. Poppy P. Short O octopus sound. Tickly T. Ot. Pot. And we're going to take our Poppy P and replace it with a Huffy H. And we'll have ot. Hot. Let's go down to the next line. Huffy H. Short O octopus sound. Tickly T. Leave a space. Huffy H. Short O, octopus sound. Tickly T. Leave a space. Huffy H. Short O, octopus sound. Tickly T. Hot. Hot. Now for our next word, we're replacing the tickly T with a poppy P. So we have up, hop. Let's go down to the next line. Huffy H. Short O, octopus sound. Poppy P. Leave a space. Huffy H. Short O, octopus sound. Poppy P. Leave a space. Huffy H. Short O, octopus sound. Poppy P. Up, hop. Now for our next word, we're going to take our poppy P and we're going to replace it with our friend Grumpy G. We have ug, hug. We're halfway done with our words already. Let's go down to the next line. Huffy H. Short O, octopus sound. Grumpy G. Leave a space. Huffy H. Short O, octopus sound. Grumpy G. Leave a space. Huffy H. Short O, octopus sound. Grumpy G. Ugh, hug. We're going to replace the Huffy H with Lulu, our licky L. We're going to have ugh, log. Go down to our next line. Licky L. Short O, octopus sound. Grumpy G. Leave a space. Licky L. Short O, octopus sound. Grumpy G. Leave a space. Licky L. Short O, octopus sound. Grumpy G. Ugh, log. And finally, we're going to end, I guess, our words on a happy note because we're going to take our Grumpy G and replace it with a bubbly bee. Lob. Go down to the last line and write this word. Licky L. Short O, octopus sound. Bubbly bee. Leave a space. Licky L. Short O, octopus sound. Bubbly bee. Leave a space. Licky L. Short O, octopus sound. Bubbly bee. Lob. One more time for review. We have pot, poppy P, short O, octopus sound, tickly T, pot, pot. Hot, huffy H, short O, octopus sound, tickly T, hot, hot. Hop, huffy H, short O, octopus sound, poppy P, up, hop. Hog, huffy H, short O, octopus sound, grumpy G. Ugh, hog. Log, licky L, short O, octopus sound, grumpy G. Ugh, log. Lob. Licky L. Short O, octopus sound. Bubbly B. Lob. Lob. Great job today working with all of your letters and letter sounds. We'll see you back next time when we are introduced to short U ugly sound. Have a great day.